Hey, fellow XRP holders, XRP family, how you doing? I've got my dogs out here. They're smelling in the backyard, so that's what we're doing. I wanted to make a real quick video for you guys. Just talk about what's going on with XRP. We're looking really good. We're up 4+% today, right now, up about 8 or 9% in the last couple of days. I did a video a couple of days ago kind of reminding myself about how the fact that I don't think we're ever really bullish enough in crypto in general. That video was talking about the fact that we could see Bitcoin go to $1 billion by 2038. And it was actually Fidelity, the big, huge Fidelity, the company you've heard about that's been around forever, that said that. So it wasn't some random person that was saying that. So I'm bringing that kind of that back to for a discussion about the fact that we're seeing now XRP bounce off of that $2.80 where it was for the last month or so, from about mid-July to August through a little bit into early September. Yeah, it was languishing. It was consolidating. It was kind of just doing that sideways. And now we're up about 10% in the last 2 days. Why is this happening? Well, again, I've told you guys about this in a lot of videos. We've got the September 17th Federal Reserve decision coming where we get 25 basis point, interest rate cut, we get 50 50 basis point interest rate cut, whatever it is. I think you're seeing a lot of speculation here. You're seeing some liquidity cash, money coming in because institutions are now starting to buy back into crypto. The crypto market itself is back up over $4 trillion from a market cap standpoint. That's the overall market. We always remember that Bitcoin's 60% of that. XRP is doing really well. Like I said, up 8 or 9%. There's Raider. See, that's Raider. There he goes. That's Raider. He's going to check out. That's one of his spots he likes to check out. Anyway, you know how dogs are. Okay, I'm sorry. I digress. So Bella's around here somewhere. Oh, there she is. And there's Bella right there. There's Bella. See? She's sitting out here with me hanging out. Okay, so hardcore XRP analysis video showing you Bella and Radar. But it's a nice day here in Dallas, so I thought I would come and sit out. It's not 800 million degrees outside. So I think bottom line, none of us are bullish enough. I'm about to buy a pretty significant amount of more of XRP because I think it's going to continue to go up. Yes, I'm even going to buy at these levels, okay? I'm going to buy some more Ethereum. I'm going to buy some more Bitcoin. I just think, again, I don't think we're all any bullish enough. And I'm talking about that in the context of where XRP is going to be a year from now, where crypto is going to be a year from now, where the price of Ethereum is going to be a year from now. You're going to look back and go, man, I wish I would have bought XRP when it was $3.10. I wish I would have bought Ethereum when it was 4,700. I wish I would have bought Bitcoin at 115,000. I wish I would have bought XLM, so forth and so on and so on. And if you don't have capital, a lot to put in, start doing daily drafts where you can go into any major exchange like crypto.com, coinbase.com. They all do it. You can set up a daily draft where it will pull $10, $20, whatever amount you want every day or every other day or every week or every third day, whatever. You can set that schedule. And that's how a lot of people, I think, should be doing it, because then it's lights out and then you're buying every day. Right? And that's how you're in the market. And instead of waiting, well, I got to wait till I get $5,000 and put some money in, whatever. I think that you're never going to get that money, and you're never going to do it. And then you're going to look back and you're going to miss out on that wasted opportunity that was, every day before that you could have gotten in. Again, this is just my opinion, not investing advice. You got to do what's right for you. And I just want you guys to make a lot of money. There's Raider. See, he's just hanging out. I just want you guys to make a lot of money in crypto, and I'm trying to give you guys some really good common sense direction here. Again, not investing advice. You got to do what's right for you. Full disclaimer. But I'm excited. I think we're in this period running up to September 17th, and I think what we're going to see though is we might see a little bit of a sell-off. Kind of, buy the rumor, sell the news. Buy the rumor, sell the event. Right? What's the event? September 17th. If we get 25 basis points, we might see the market move down a little bit because the expectation now, or the hope, or what have you, is that we're going to get 50 basis point reduction. And the consensus is nobody really knows. I think it's pretty evenly split as far as people thinking we're going to get that bigger interest rate reduction versus that smaller one. And by the way, we've got 2 more interest rate meetings before the end of the year. Okay, so this is all rolling into that fourth quarter. We've been talking about fourth quarter for a while. Fourth quarter 2025, how it's going to be pretty significant. Going to be a great for everything. So again, are you bullish enough? Are you putting money in? I have given myself kind of a directive to start buying more, even more. Excuse me, my nose itches because I got allergies sitting out here in the back. And that's it. So with that, if you haven't already done so, definitely go check out my trading indicator, guys. I mean, it gave a perfect buy alert on XRP before we started this little run. Okay, so you could have been making even more money. It gave a buy alert on Ethereum before it was up 20% in the last 10 days. It gave a buy alert on XLM before it was up 25% in the last, in the last 9 days or so. Okay, so my point is if you're not using some technology like a trading indicator, don't use mine, use somebody else's. But mine's the cheapest one out there. It costs $1.15 per day to use. $1.15. That's less than a pack of gum. Is your financial future, or possibly improving your financial future, worth a pack of gum to you? Worth a cup of coffee? You spend, Starbucks coffee is $4 or $5. You spend more than that on a cup of coffee. It doesn't make you a penny. Why not invest in yourself? Invest in your family. At least try it, because here's the thing. You have 30 days, no questions asked, money back refund guarantee that protects you. What does that mean? You try it for 30 days, you don't like it, you get every single penny back. You have zero risk here. That's it. Okay, so at least try it. Links are down there. There's information on the page. You'll see it's called X1 Algo, so go give it a look. Go give it a try. As always, I appreciate you giving me a few minutes. All right, I'll see you. Bye.